Hi guys, I just bought this BESTEK 200 watts power inverter. It's a car voltage converter transformer with 3-pin socket and 4 USB ports, and I just want to take you guys through the unboxing process, so join me please. Alright, here we are, right here. Put these on the side. That's what we've got it charging. Alright, and here's the device itself. Looks plain, metallic gray kind of. Got 4 USB ports, discharging 2.40 to 2.4 amps, and the on and off button. Quite a bit heavy though. And here's the manual. What else have we got in here? Right, and you are not alone, you are covered. Some kind of select product with a 24-month warranty. Okay, that's the warranty card, I believe, and the manual. So what I want to do is just to take this into the car and test it. Right, after Zane set it up 230 volt to 240 volts car voltage converter transformer, and we're gonna put this, utilize this in the car and see what we've got. Alright, I'll plug this in here. Now this is kind of wobbling a little bit, but let's just hope it's gonna work fine. Got a charging outlet here, and I'm gonna make use of this. It's pretty hot. Alright, that's in, and then put it on. Now it seems to be vibrating a little bit, must be kind of powerful. Let's got the green light on now. I've got this in to charge my phone, but I'm currently using my phone to record this video. So I've got a laptop here. Got a laptop. Let's see if this can power it up. Got that. Alright, you can see the green light there. It's up right now. The battery was completely down previously, and now it seems to be charging. Alright, there's the laptop, and if you can look on the bottom right corner there, you'll see that the battery life is already low, and it shows that it's already connected, and it's charging right now. Hold this up. Okay, well, that's just all about it, and seems to be working perfectly fine right now. And thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel.